Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can fix the issue if the JBL Go 4 is not charging. So the first thing I encourage you to do is to clean the port or use a different cable for charging. So try to first these two things if it's going to work out. So different cable, and try to clean the port here with the brush or something, and also try a different ending like for the USB, so maybe even that the different power outlet. But if that is not going to work out, then what you can do is that I'm going to turn it on, and what you need to do is just hold the power button and the plus button at the same time. So just hold it together and for like 10 to 15 seconds, and you have to have turned on the JBL, and then after like 10 to 15 seconds it's going to turn off, and you got it. So this is how you can reset it, and maybe then it's going to work out and you will be able to charge it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.